You guys just know me so well. These people don't understand me the way that you do. Only trains, automobiles, and phones. I just need that connection with someone. You're right. You're right. You guys just understand me so well. I do need to make friends. Hi. Hey. I could be really good. Do you still do play dates?
It's okay, you can take your time. I'm pretty nervous too right now.
Do you know how to be a friend? Can we be best friends?
What?
Girls, friends. I don't do this very often. Hey guys, I could be a good friend. I could do it. I could be your friend. Does anybody want to be my friend?
Hey sir, how's it going? We're doing an opening day sale around the corner. Anyone with a flyer gets 20% off.
You're talking to me.
Yeah, can I interest you in a flyer?
I don't.
Sir, are you okay?
He's following me. Please. Help me. He's following me. They're all following me. The whole city. They're against me. Please, help me. Somebody help me. Just help me. No. I'm nice.
Get the fuck out of my house.
I'm not crazy. There's people following me.
Who's following you?
Everyone.
What's your name?
Waylon Lynch.
And there's nobody I can call for you, or...
I don't trust them. I only trust cars. They don't judge.
You promise you're nice, right?
Yes.
Get the fuck out of my house! Get out!
Hi. It's Waylon. I just wanted to say hi. if anyone's listening. I just wanted someone to talk to. Really. I didn't mean any harm. But now the cars won't even talk to me. I just want someone to talk to. Someone to listen to. Someone not made out of metal.